Hello guys, it's Enchanted Live, and today I'm going to show you another craft you can do using a Dollar Tree frame. As you can see here, I have my Dollar Tree frame, and I use a dollar coloring book from Dollar General, and I get my picture out of there. Honestly, my husband and I love SpongeBob, and you guys know I love to make some artwork for him. And so I'm using this picture of SpongeBob and Patrick chilling out in a box because honestly, same, who wouldn't want to? So you can see here I use the frame itself, kind of like a drawing pad or a painting pad, kind of like its own surface. I do this by just keeping the frame, painting on the top, and then later on flipping that over. I just find it a little easier to do it that way. And here you can see I utilize the back of the insert that they already had in there. You can see here where I just start painting the outlines. Now this is sped up, so take your time. Alright, of course your lines can be a little sloppy, it's alright. You can always go back and erase with your finger or scrape it off when it dries. Now remember, you're not having fun if you're not making a mess and I end up with paint all over me again. Now after I finish these outlines, you'll see I wait for it to dry and then I go back in with some other colors and I just fill them in. If you like my content, then you can like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so that you can get notified every time I post. After this dries, I do a couple different coats of brown on the box, 2 coats of pink and yellow, and then I go over SpongeBob and Patrick themselves with white, just so that they really do pop. Now you'll see I go in with my adhesive spray that I got at Dollar General as well, and some glitter that I've had for I don't know how long. Of course, be in a well-ventilated area. And you'll see my glitter box from my first frame episode make another appearance here. I definitely get my time's worth. Sprinkle generously, and you can do more than one coat. It's all up to you. And once it all dries, you can dust off your extra and put it in your frame. And now you have your simple, easy to do artwork that you can hang up Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay enchanted.